All right, so here is the video to go along with the BandLab project, and there is a handout as well that goes with this that'll help you too. So the first step is to install BandLab rather, and you can get that. It's free for your Android, for your iPhone, for your computer, your desktop, or your Mac. I'm using PC here, and this is I would recommend using a computer. There's a few more bells and whistles to the program if you use it on your computer, and yeah, so let's get started. I've already installed it. I'm assuming most people will be able to install this okay. You'll need to use your email. There's a few instructions here, but if you have any issues, just let me know. The second step is, so I'm in BandLab here, and I'm going to import the file that I've sent along with this. So I'm going to go to drop a loop or audio and video file, click on that, and I'll go to my classes. That's where I just kept the file here. And okay, so here's the file I'm going to open, and it throws that file in there. It's really, really simple to start. It's just a B flat concert scale, and what I want you to do is to play your recording along with that. So there's a few things you need to know here too. Hopefully you can see the screen all right. I'll try to zoom in as much as I can. So you can see the audio file I've just downloaded in here. All right, and then you're going to add another track, add a track, and that's where you're going to do your recording. Okay, so you'll notice I'm actually going to voice microphone because we're not using what they call MIDI instruments. We're using a live instrument, so that's the one you'll click on. We can talk about that later. And then we'll go to this track, and you have to record enable it. Okay, so enable multi-track recording. You'll see a little red dot here, and that means it's ready to record. I'm not going to go through this with you, but it works best if you have some headphones. All right, because if you're playing through the speakers and recording at the same time, you're going to get some feedback. So that's what I'd recommend. When you've done that, you've recorded your version, you want to create a mix down. So I'm going to go to File, Download, Mix Down As. Okay, and it will create a mix down here for you. Okay, the mix down is basically, it takes this wave plus the wave you created, and it'll have a mix there together. There we go. We're too close. Okay. The other thing I'll just show you here quickly is you have to set the markers on which section of the track you want it to record on. So skip that. So if you go to this here, hit the cycle, you can see that this thingy is popped up here. Okay, you can see this in this color, and this will show you how much of it you actually want to mix down. Okay, so it'll take this much audio. If you only set it to here, before there's even a wave, you wouldn't even get a file with any audio. Hopefully that helps. Send me lots of questions. I'll do my best to answer them. And this project, all I'm asking for is you play along with this track, okay, your B flat concert scale, trying to aim really to be in sync with it. And that's due next Monday.